Remove the 4 screws of the panel. Take off the panel. Check if the wiring connected to the main brush switch is loose. Unplug the switch and then plug it back in securely. Then check the overload protection button. Press it down and make sure it doesn't pop up. Remove the screws on both sides of the machine cover. Remove the cover. Check the relay of the main brush. You can temporarily remove the side brush relay and install it into the main brush position, then turn on the main brush. If the main brush works well, please replace the main brush relay immediately. The relay on the right is for the side brush, and the relay on the left is for the main brush. If the relay is on and the main brush still doesn't spin, check the main brush connector to see if the wiring is loose. If the relay is not broken, the motor is burned. You need to replace the motor of the main brush.